Hi, I am Nital Zaveri. I participated in this course of smart manufacturing from MIT. I think there are a lot of new learnings for me. One of the first learning is that how to read the data and how to analyze the data and interpret the data. Especially, I like the concept of uh, frequency domain over time domain. That's the very useful concept which I liked. The other concept which I liked very much in data analysis was about uh, the cross correlation and auto correlation concept and partial auto correlation concept. I think very relevant for understanding the kind of the correlation, because many times we don't see normal correlation, but when we use cross correlation, we can get a lot of new insights. The other thing which I liked about was how to look at the manufacturing system as a physical system and a data system, and how to create the digital twin. My concept of digital twin was different, but when I attended this program, I am totally amazed to see the concept of digital twin is not just to visualize what is happening in the physical world, but also to predict the future outcome and enhance the quality and productivity of the overall manufacturing systems. That's the true purpose of digital twin, which I liked very much. I think this course is very useful, and I recommend everybody who is in the industry 4.0 domain or smart manufacturing must attend this program. Thank you.